What came first? Poached egg or the chicken? You didn't like the poached eggs yesterday, huh? Well, that was my first time, but I liked them. They were good. Today I'm going to use the Cosori air fryer rotisserie toaster oven to rotisserie a whole young chicken. This is just about 5 pounds, 4.8 and some pounds. Let me open it up, rinse it off and pat it dry, and put the spit in and start rotisserieing it. I got 4 lengths of cooking twine. I might only need 2. You tie it together so it doesn't flop around while it's on the rotisserie. And tie this in. The wings want to flop away, look at them. Quit your flapping. Tighten up, everybody. Alright, it's tied up pretty good. I might tie it again to the spit. Let's see how evenly we can get this placed. There, get your tines in there, see if you can. I'll center that pretty good. And then this side. And make sure our weight is distributed evenly. Now I'm going to tie those legs down to there, like that. Let me tighten up these wing nuts. Tight. Wrap a small piece of string around here, just to tie them to the spit so it doesn't flop around. Okay. That's all. Don't eat the strings. They might be good though. With all that fried crispy juice on there. Okay, I'm going to spray it with olive oil. Look at that. Let me wash my hands. I'm going to spray it with olive oil and salt and pepper. Slight coat of Pam. Ma'am. Where you going? You're dancing already. Come back here. Nice. Hope this makes up for the poached eggs, but I loved them anyway. Let me come over here to my Cosori rotisserie oven. This is easy to insert. It goes in one side and rests in the other side. Okay, line it up. Put that in there. That's it. Whoa! See you soon. See you crunchier. We're on rotisserie. Let's see. Function. Rotisserie. We're going to go 380 degrees for an hour to start with. There we go, look. And the instructions say to turn on the fan. Convection fan. Look at this. Oh, that's going to be good. Okay. Alright, this is going to be fun. I'll check in with you when I see different changes in it, and I'll keep you updated. One more thing, I forgot to say. Set it and forget it. 5 minutes have gone by, and it sure smells good. About 20 minutes have gone by. Look at that in there. Oh, that's so good. Close the door. 20 minutes remaining. How's it look so far? Looks good to me. Mm-hmm. 5 minutes remaining. Looks delicious. Ten seconds remaining. I'm going to take the temperature, and hopefully it's over 165 degrees. Oh, yes. Look at it. It's not going to be bad to clean. I'll wipe off this glass with a paper towel and take this pan out. All the drippings went in there. It's easy to clean. I cleaned it before. Right there. Please be done. I'm so hungry. Not quite 165. I'm going to put it in for 10 more minutes. Okay? Rotisserie 380. For 10 minutes. Sure looks and smells good. That's good. I'll get a little more crunchy too, which I like. Start. And away we go again. Alright. Here we go again. Let me show you how easy this is to clean. Clean this. See? Look at that. I'll clean a little better, but I'm just showing you. It's not terribly hard. And you take the drip pan out and wash that in the sink. Here we go again. We want 165. Is this the thermometer I was using? Mm-hmm. That's my talking thermometer. Oh! 172.8 we like that? Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit! And this comes with this handy spit taker outer. Spit take. Ready? Be careful now. Don't sit there. Get that out. That side out. There it goes. Nice. Just let it sit here for a couple minutes. You like it? I like it. Let's look at the other side. Ooh, looks good, doesn't it? Let's let that cool. Remember the strings that are on there. Nice. Yeah, I'll let that cool before I loosen these wing nuts over here. Somewhat anyway, just so I don't burn myself, you know. All tied up, no place to go. Except in my belly. Can't wait though. I want to eat it now. I could make a big sandwich out of it. I think I want one of those legs. Yes. Oh. Is it upside down or not? I can't tell with these chickens. Legs, wings. I like to get one of those legs. I won't burn myself. How do you do this? Like this? Yes. Like this. A whole section, huh? Look at the skin. I like the skin. I like the skin. Oh. Well. Sorry, I'm eating all skin. Is that okay? My first rotisserie chicken in the Cosori. Rotisserie, air fryer, toaster oven, broiler, multi-baker. The skin is so good. And the meat is so good too. Grab yourself a small chicken and stick it in the oven. And do like I did. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more delicious recipes. I'm going to eat this now and probably have sandwiches for tomorrow. Alright, have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye. Look at this piece I pulled over there. What is that? It's a wing. Oh. What did you say? I'm like a caveman?
You rip into it like you never had food before.